For years, this has been a dream by the people of Tobi. This solar project not only benefit our children's education, but also benefit our people of Tobi.
I have to thank the effort made by the government of Palau, including MOE, MPII, NEMO, Marine Law, and of course the UNDP for installing finally beautifully all the solar panels with a storage system.
I cannot overemphasize the collective hard work put in place, which has reaped rewards and brought a meaningful impact to the lives of children, that will no doubt enhance learning moving forward.
If you look here today and you look at what's happened and you look at what's promised in the future and will continue to help, you're not forgotten and you're not isolated. We are joining together closer and closer each and every day.